Hey guys, welcome to Kirtana Cooks. Today let's see how to make these protein-rich mango quinoa salad. To start with the dressing, let's add around 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. To that, let's add around 2 tablespoons of lime juice mixed with some salt. Adding in around 2 teaspoons of Djon mustard. Adding in around a teaspoon of chili flakes. And for a hint of sweetness, let's add around a tablespoon of honey. If you feel that your mangoes are really sweet, then you can add just half teaspoon of honey. Now let's close it and give it a quick mix. You need to shake well until the oil combines well with the lime juice and it forms a creamy dressing like this. Now to assemble our salad, I'm taking a big bowl here. I'm going to add around half cup of cooked quinoa. This has been pre-cooked according to the package instructions. Adding in around 1 cup of chopped cucumber, 1 cup of sliced onion, adding in around 1 cup of juicy sweet mangoes, adding in around 1 cup of chopped avocados, and around 2 tablespoons of roasted walnuts. For final touch, I'm going to add some cilantro. Now let's add in our dressing. Our gorgeous salad is now almost ready. Let's give it up a quick mix so that all the components of the salad are coated with the dressing. This salad is super rich in protein because of the quinoa that we have added, and it's super rich in good fats because of the avocados and the mangoes in there. It is a super healthy lunch or dinner option. Now I'm topping it with some more chili flakes, adding in around a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of Deseeded chopped tomato for more color. Our healthy and gorgeous mango quinoa salad is now ready.